Muir Pass, and Mather Pass. These legendary gateways to the heavens tested the mettle of even the most seasoned hiker. Forester Pass, standing tall at an elevation of approximately 13,200 feet, challenged our resolve with its steep incline and treacherous terrain. Muir Pass, a sanctuary nestled at around 11,970 feet, rewarded our perseverance with its breathtaking beauty and a respite from the relentless ascent. Mather Pass, towering at an impressive 12,100 feet, rewarding those who conquered it with a sense of triumph that transcended words.